Hello, great people. Welcome back to Global Happenings. Today, we're so excited to have you again. Breaking news from PDP. Samuel Anyanwu, the sitting National Secretary of the People Democratic Party, has been thrown off balance by the appeal court. He has been sacked by the appeal court, and right now there's a lot of jubilation going on, considering the fact that he was part of the team that was really causing a lot of issue together with Damagum, according to most of the PDP stakeholders. Now, the full details of the news. The appeal court sitting in Enugu a few hours ago sacked Senator Samuel Anyanwu as People Democratic Party National Secretary and declared Right Honorable Ude Okoye as the new National Secretary of PDP to complete the remaining tenure created by the automatic vacancy in the office when Senator Samuel Anyanwu left as the National Secretary to run for governorship. The appeal court affirmed the judgment of the High Court in Enugu, which earlier on had sacked Anyanwu as PDP secretary and upheld the nomination by Southeast PDP executive, which nominated Right Honorable Ude Okoye as replacement to Anyanwu as PDP secretary. The court, in a lead judgment delivered by Justice Ratnwan Abdullahi, described Anyawu's claim to PDP secretaryship despite contest as emerging PDP governorship candidate as a grave violation of the PDP constitution and declared that his appeal against the lower court judgment lacks merit. Reacting to the development opposition lawmaker coalition hailed the judgment as dawn of a new era in PDP, an end to the shameless politics of sabotage, betrayal, political materialism, and sell-out which Anyanwu represented, saying that the acting PDP chairman, Umar Damagum, who is in same shameless boat with Anyanwu in the agenda to take out opposition, is next. In a statement signed by their spokesperson, Honorable Ikenga Ogochinyere, the lawmaker described the judgment as the beginning to the end of Damagum stroke Anyanwu's evil politics against PDP. He noted that they are in full support of the judgment, pledging loyalty to Ude Okoye as the substantive national secretary. In his word, I quote, he said, "We want to salute the courage of the appeal court to have ended this madness by first of all upholding the judgment of Enugu State High Court that recognizes the decision of Southeast PDP leaders that nominated Ude Okoye as substantive national secretary to complete the remaining tenure created by the vacancy in the office by the resignation of Samuel Anyanwu as the national secretary when he went to run for governorship. The appeal court has reinstated the principle of PDP constitution that anyone elected to the executive committee of the party at any level may resign his or her office by giving 30 days notice in writing to the executive committee except in cases of vying for an elective office which shall be effective within the period stipulated by INEC. The law has said that you should resign. When you choose to run for the election, you have to choose to resign, or you have chosen to resign. We thank the appeal court. The opposition lawmakers are 100% with our new National Secretary, Ude Okoye. We support and accept the decision. The opposition lawmakers coalition is very happy with the development. Wow. We know it went as far as the appeal court. So I know very well that he may not give up on it. He may decide to push it further. And most Nigerians are speculating that this judgment may still be pending in the Supreme Court until their tenure expires in December next year. And I don't know how true this is, but however, so many Nigerians believe that the right thing has been done, and being that the right thing has been done, that the national secretary should decide to give up on his post, because it's not something that is worth debating. If you're going in for any position, whether it is in any political party, you must first of all resign your position. You must resign your position before you, especially if you have been nominated by the party, you have to resign your position. The issue of still staying back and struggling for it seems to be an issue of concern. But interestingly, why Nigerians seems to why People Democratic Party seems not to really align with the Damagum late NWC is the fact that most of what they have done thus far, based on speculation, is actually anti-party, and the fact that he has not won anything in terms of any laurel for the party. All the governorship elections that have taken place, not even one was he able to secure a win. In those states where a PDP governor was there, he couldn't do anything to see how they can secure it. And according to some of the moves that they have taken, especially in Rivers State, it points to the fact that they seems to be working side by side with the current administration. So many, especially the opposition political party group led by Imo Gochin, have pointed accusing fingers at him with Samuel Anyanwu, that both of them are working together to see how they can thwart everything about the success of PDP. So this development seems to trigger so much joy amongst these opposition political parties. They believe that now that he is out, that at least it will give room for proper coordination, especially in the National Working Committee. A lot of things will be done right. But, unfortunately, he's not the only person. Even if we are celebrating, he's not the only person involved, because the issue of anti-party is very transparent in PDP. People at the top are involved in it. We know that there are some the People Democratic Party faithfuls who are currently working hand in hand with the APC government. And if they work with the APC government, and APC government seems to be giving them everything that makes life very beneficial, there is no way that they can, work for PDP come 2027, except they are the people that will be contesting. And even if they want to contest, they will make sure that the contest will be such that the current administration will carry the day. So the issue of anti-party activity is very transparent and well known, and until something is done desperately by possibly flushing out these people as quick as possible, they will still be there, making the party very unbearable for others. One of the things that we have noted in Nigeria, other Senate claims, people keep cross-carpeting from one political party to the other. Really, you can hear the issue of, for example, in the United States of America, where the Democrats are now playing games with the Republicans. You can hardly hear it. People will stay as Democrats for as long as 50 years, as long as 30 years, as long as 20 years. Nigeria, it's so terrible that almost on a daily basis, there's a cross-carpeting from this political party to the other party. It makes it very reasonable, all of it in pursuit of money, And this is one way of really destroying the political strength in the country. But however, with this development, let's wait to see what will come up in the nearest future if Samuel Anyanwu will take a bold move towards, going to the